Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Guidefarer and welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to create a Photoshop project, but with a transparent background. So I'm just going to go and hit create new once I'm in the Photoshop, and let's just maybe focus on the right side of this panel for a second. So we have width, we have height, we have resolution, we have color modes, we have, format bits, and then we also have background contents. And usually by a default it's going to be white, it's going to be selected, so we're going to change that and hit transparent. Now once this is done, this is basically it that you have to do, and let's just maybe hit create. I'm going to simulate how this works when you also save the picture, for example, and I'm going to create a custom shape. So I'm just going to right click and I'm going to select this little flower, and I'm going to put it as maybe red, so it's going to look a little bit more outstanding. And then we're going to save this project, but we're not going to save it, we're not going to save the project exactly, we're going to save it as a PNG. Now this is a very important thing because PNG format is the only format that supports the transparent background. All other image formats, well, in most cases they don't support transparent background, and they will fill the background with a black or white color. So just for this purpose of this video, I'm just gonna go and change it to flower.png. I'm gonna save this, and then I'm going to open Explorer, open the recent file that I've created, and here we can see that, by the way, the gray color is just sort of a representative for the transparent background. And as you can see, there is nothing behind this red flower. There is no background, as opposed to, for example, I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to close this down and I'm going to save this as not a PNG, I'm going to save it as a JPEG. I just need to find it. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to save this as a flower 1, just because I'm not sure if there's going to be any issues with that. And there we go. Okay. And as you can see, it already made a preset on the background. So we're going to go to the Explorer, we're going to click on it. As you can see here, JPEG also gave us, I didn't click on to change the background, but already gave us like an option to change the background. So by default, apparently in Photoshop it comes with a white color, but you can adjust that as well. So but as we can see, there is no transparency compared to this, where there is transparency obviously and there is no background at all. So this is the major difference, and this is how you create, or should I say save it as a transparent image as well. I hope you learned something new in this video, and if you did manage to learn something new, I suggest that you subscribe, like the video. That also motivates me a bunch, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.